Today I'll be showing you guys the different stabilization settings on the Canon R50. It essentially has two different stabilization settings, on and enhanced, and today I'll be showing you without, on, and enhanced in sequence, and all of them at once so you guys can see the difference. And for reference, I'm using the 18 to 45mm kit lens that came with the Canon R50. So yeah, just let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section below and which one you think looks the best.